Hey there, hi there, ho there. Hello there, my name is Adam. Welcome back to the channel, Kaputy Inc. Returning customer, subscribe, you, me, my most excellent work. We're going to do a little bit of an unboxing today because I'm a whore for views. So it's on an M18 FUEL cordless grinder. So let's get kicking. There she is, ladies and germs. Box from Home Depot, you may say. Cashback bonus card. Gift cards. $5 get you, or was it $4.50 get you $5 worth of gift cards. So up in my value, left and right here. So let's open this sucker up, see what we got. Ooh, fresh, crisp. Bit of an oversized box. All right, we got the battery with it. The deal I got was, it was like on sale, and you got the battery too. So let's unbox this sucker real proper like. I don't really watch any of these videos, so I don't know if there's a special technique you're supposed to use. Let's rip the bed open. All right. Yeah. Box we're getting. Ooh, stout. So we got the M18 FUEL. Okay. We got, what is it? Generates 13 amps of corded power. I don't know what that means, but that's awesome. It's 4.5 inch to 6 inch braking grinder. Paddle switch. No lock, because I ain't no pussy. Alright, maybe that means something different. Either way, you heard me. So, let's take a look at this grinder. Jesus, lots of stuff comes in here. Obviously, we set the battery separate. It's one little package there. Important paperwork. Hundreds of solutions inside. I feel like you should keep that in your glove box in case of emergencies. Alright, look at that sucker. Comes tagged and bagged. Alright. Ooh. See, they should make this so you could, right, if you had it, you just pinch and gently roll the tip, right? Everybody knows how that one works. Little biodegradable cone over the nose protecting our shit. Appreciate that, Milwaukee. Alright, what else we got here? Handle. Rubber handle. Oh, that is nice. Cushion grip action? This is way better than what I looked at when I was in the old store. It's got what's called rapid stop. I don't even know what that means. Sounds like what a certain presidential, but Democratic vice president gets told a lot by 6-year-olds when he's sniffing them. Let's see what else we got here. Our guard. Very nice guard, if you will. Alright. What's this thing? Alright, it looks like it's got a 5/8 arbor, 5/8 by 11 thread. Important to know if you're going to lose shit, you get a new nut. Gotta get a nut. Cool, you just take that off, and it looks like this thing can be clocked pretty easily. This little lever on the back here. Oh, look at that. That's sick. I like that. Look what they're bringing to the table with that. That goes on there. Alright. You just hold tight while I go get some. Bam! Grinding wheel. Made by DeWalt. Probably blasphemy here. Alright, put that sucker on. Okay. Oh, look at that. It's got like a little... What is that? What's going on there? Huh. Anyways. Here we go, kids. There we go. Comes with your tool as well. That sucker locked in there. See if it's done tight. I don't like how that feels though. What did I do wrong there? I fucked something up, didn't I? Oh, take it back off. Good work. Alright, why didn't this thing come to place? This thing go down. Oh, okay. There we go. There we go. Governor, just had to give her a little turn. Alright, put the arbor on there first, jackass. Alright, which you can go two ways. It's kind of flat there and then it's keyed, if you will. Kind of see that? That fits in to the rigmarole here. Bam. Put a piece on there. Tight. There we go. Now if we want to give this thing a little clock, we can clock it. It's got a real positive feel to it like that. Bam. Like you're putting a clip in your clock. Alright. Open this sucker up. Nice battery. What do we have? XC50. Alright. Sounds like a vanilla ice kind of deal. Top down so my hair can't go. Alright. I won't wait to cut my fingers. This will be great. Alright. Instructions. Battery. Instructions. Alright. Clip it in. Locked and loaded. We got power. 1 bar. Ooh. Oh, look at that. Watch how quick it stops. It doesn't sound like awesome. It sounds like, you know, like if your car's still rolling and you put it in park a little bit and it does like that click, 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 click thing because you're a dumbass and you didn't come to a complete stop. That's how it feels. That's how it sounds. Interesting. All right, let's go grind some rust off the frame of this truck over here. Here we go. Well, I wasn't too shabby. I was pushing on her pretty hard there too, and it didn't conk out. And the battery is only at 1 notch there, so it's not like we're running full power here. But yeah, I look forward to giving this thing a real workout. Well, that's gonna do it for my unboxing and initial test run of the old M18 angle grinder here. Of course, you can put cutoff wheel. You can probably put a wire brush on it, whatever. Not too shabby. It's got safety, right? You got to flip up the old lever there in order for it to work. But other than that, looks like a good thing. On the back here, got a little lock stop so you can take the thing off, hold it in place. Of course, handle can switch side to side, whether you're a southpaw or you're a righty. That's actually my left, but you know what I'm saying. So. Hope you found it useful. Like, comment, subscribe. See you on the next one.